Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel where you will enjoy watching me making beautiful and different DIYs for home decoration. If you are new here, consider joining my channel by clicking the subscribe button below and remember the notification bell. You will notify your video. Hey guys, sorry I was on hiatus, but I am back and I am so excited. Thank you so much for joining us today. In today's video, I am a part of What Month Is It collaboration where you can make some beautiful DIYs for home decoration related to this month. It's fall next week, so we are making very cute project for fall decoration. The host of this challenge is an amazing crafter who is making great project to inspire you called Tammy from Happiness Created channel, and we have two co-hosts. There are Tony from Great Z Stitches DIY and Ellie from DIY from House to Home. Also, the special guest for this month of September is Annalie from Annalie Ashby. Don't forget to check out all their channels link as well as the playlist in the description box below. This playlist shows you that there are some extraordinarily clever and crafty people making amazing DIYs to share with you. So don't forget to check out all the playlist links. I have 3 gorgeous DIYs for today. I can't wait to show you. Let's go started, guys. I want to my scrapbook paper stash that I got from Michael's, and I picked up these two that to me kind of fall colors. I have this burlap paper and other with leaves, and I have these 4 leaves from Dollar Tree. I need them for my project. So I need this first one. I'm gonna trace a leaf in the back of this burlap scrapbook paper. So when I trace it, I'm gonna cut it out to have a leaf with burlap paper. Now I'm gonna cut it out with my scissors. Now I have this cute leaf, so I need the other paper to draw another leaf, different size or different shape of the first one. Then I'm gonna cut it out to make another leaf. So I need 2 of these leaves, different shape. So I'm bringing this burlap paper, tracing another leaf to cut it out. I'm gonna make it bigger than the first one, so to have it as a shadow for the other leaf. And this one too, I'm gonna cut out another leaf bigger than the first one, like that. I have this sign from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna use the back of the sign. I'm gonna paint it with white chalk paint first. I give it 2 coats of this chalk paint. Then I'm using a brush paint to give some shadow to this sign with my Beverly wax to give like a rustic look to my sign, and sand it with my sandbox. And these 2 wood rollers, I stain them with my Beverly wax. Now I'm gluing these leaves. I'm gluing the big one first, then other one the top, each of them, like as you see now. I'm using my hot glue and my school glue. I have this pumpkin from Dollar Tree. I cut it in half, and this mesh rope, I'm gonna use it as stem for this pumpkin. Also, I'm adding some raffia, some 3D stickers, leaves from Dollar Tree, just to arrange them on my sign to make it cute. And this ribbon, I have these two ribbons to make a bow. So I'm making three loops, and making dovetail to make a bow. I attach them with this zip lock in the middle, hot glue it in the middle of my sign on top. I covered my sign in the back with this adhesive paper. Next, I'm making a hanger to this sign and add a few beads to the hanger. It's simple and easy way to elevate the look of our project. Like this. Now I'm making a tiny bow with this twine for these pumpkins. So I'm fixing it, and I think it turned out beautifully. What do you think, guys? Let me know in your comment below. What do you think about this project? And let's go to DIY number 2 now, guys. For this project, I need these 2 scrapbook papers that I got from Michael's. I'm drawing now wheelbarrow. I need it for my project. I'm gonna cut out 2 of them, like that. And I have this black sign that I got from Dollar Tree. I need it as background for my sign. And I changed my scrapbook paper. I have this one is better, I think. And I want to make it like a frame all around, same flower. So I cut a piece, I put it on top on the bottom, so to cover it, to have a rectangle sign. I'm gonna add a layer of cardboard insert to the back of this sign just to make it a bit steadier and thicker, like that. And I have this square, how can I call it? It's pop dot adhesive, so to give dimension to my wheelbarrow, I put some of all around. And this foam pumpkins that I got from Dollar Tree, I cut it in half. I have this shadow box from Dollar Tree, this sunflowers, this wood pumpkins from Dollar Tree. I color it with my marker. And I have Spanish mouse. I put it in the bottom. I start putting them down, just arranging them until I get the way that I want to look. These pumpkins, and these sunflowers. And some greenery. Add more details to this sign to make it cute, and these stickers. Wow, 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 c'est beau, c'est beau. I'm using rubbing alcohol to remove the words from this glass, this shadow box glass. And now it's clean, and I'm gluing it with hot glue. Next, I'm using this white chalk pen from Dollar Tree. I'm writing, I love fall. I can erase it. I can use other words as you want. What do you think? I love it, I love it, I love it. Look at this lovely picture frame and so pretty. What do you think, guys? I think c'est beau, c'est magnifique. Or let me know in your comment below what do you think about this project. And let's go to DIY number 3. For this project, I am using this square sign that I got on Dollar Tree, and I am using this sandpaper to send out the raised glitter that's on this sign to make it flat as possible. Also, I'm going to paint all over this the front side. I'm taking the white chalk paint. Then I'm going to distress that white with Waverly Wax, kind of make it look warm and give it some shape and shadow. Wipe it like that and sand it with this sandpaper sheet. I have this cutest ribbon that I got from Michael's this week. It was in sale, so I put a piece on one side and the other one on the bottom. I have this. I'm using this garland for flowers. Was in sale too in Michael's. It's very pretty and it's perfect for adding a bright touch to this home decor. I'm cutting some flowers in this corner, adding some details like this foam pumpkin and these leaves that I got from Dollar Tree, and this sign, wooden sign from Dollar Tree too. I stain it and I add some glitter on top, and I dab this ink pad to give some bold colors all around the Hello Autumn sign. Adding the stickers, these leaves, so cute and pretty. C'est beau, c'est beau. I have these 3 ribbons. I got them from Michael's and Dollar Tree. I am cutting a tail for the bow. Now dovetail that out, then attach the 2 loops in the center with the twine. I didn't flower in the middle, like that. So next, I'm adding some flowers and greenery in each side where I'm applying my bow, like that. So my last touch is making a hanger to this beautiful home decor by adding a few beads to the twine, then hot gluing each end of the twine to the back of the square sign, adding a piece of this brown adhesive paper to cover it, as you see now. And voila, how it turned out, this beautiful home decor for fall. What do you think, guys? Let me see in your comment. I love the way all these DIYs came out today. So thank you so much for joining me today. I really hope you enjoyed watching me making these beautiful DIYs. Please be sure to comment and let me know which of these projects was your favorite. Take care and see you soon. Bye.